Today video I'm gonna show you how to add your debit card or your credit card into the wallet on your iPhone. So if you own the iPhone 16 Pro or the 16 Pro Max, now first you need to go ahead and go into wallet, and then you need to click on the plus button, and there is an option where you can add debit or credit card. Click on this one, click on continue, and then you will be able to use NFC on the card tag to add, or you can enter card detail manually if you like, where you can enter the card number or scan it using a camera, something like that. But nowadays most of the cards support NFC. I can just type something like this. Okay, you can see now it is adding my card. It is pretty simple. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. Then we'll see you guys in the next one.